Good afternoon everyone, I'm reporter number 3. Itutulong ko po yung arithmetic sequence. Actually, this way.
Find the next 5 terms of a arithmetic sequence of the first term and the common difference between them.
So, ang hinahanap po natin is next 5 terms. So, binigay na po, ang case of 1 is 13. And the common difference is 4. So, 13 minus 4 is
9.
9. So, 9 minus 4,
5.
5 minus 1,
1.
5 minus 1.
5 minus 4.
1.
So, 1. So, kaya ko nakuha yung 3,
1 minus 4.
1 minus 4, 3, negative 3. So, ayan po yung pinakasagot. Let's do number 2.
Find
A sub
sub n of the given arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals to 40 and a sub 15 equals to 7.
So, A sub 5 is 40. A sub 15 is 70. Then, yung A sub 5 po is, kailangan po lahat ng mataas is nasa taas po siya. Lahat ng malalaking numbers is nasa taas. So, 70 minus 40 is 30. So, 15 minus 5 is 10. Tapos 30 divided by 3 ay 30 divided by 3 is
10.
So, 30 divided by
10.
30 divided by 10 is 3. So, paano po natin makukuha yung
A sub.
A sub 11? So, ang A sub 5 po is 40. So, 3 po siya. Yung A sub 5, mag-add po tayo ng 40, ay ng 3. So, 40 po yung A sub 5. 40. Mag-add po tayo ng 3, magiging 43. Mag-add po tayo sa 43 ng 3, magiging 46. Mag-add po tayo ng 3 sa 46, magiging 49. Mag-add po tayo ng 3 sa 49, magiging 52. Mag-add po tayo ng 3 dito, magiging 55. Mag-add po tayo ng 3 sa 55, magiging 58. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ayan.
5 simula bilang.
Ayan po yung makukuha natin na sagot sa A sub 11. Alakpak na rin. Ibulat yung street number niya.
Find
Oga. Dami
Find the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence. A sub 2 equals negative 6 and a sub 5 equals negative 6.
So, same lang siya dito, pero dito po is pabawas. Tama? Yes, thank you. Minus 6, 9. 5 minus 2,
3.
3. So, ang common difference niya is 3. Galing niya siya. So, pabawas tayo. Negative 3 plus 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3, 6, 6 negative 6 plus negative 3, 9. 9. Negative 9 is plus negative 3,
Negative 12.
12. Negative 12 plus negative 3,
Negative 15.
negative 15 plus negative 3 is,
Negative 18.
so ayan po yung sagot. That's all.